everyone, DJ Hill Nazareth with United City Plugin, and today we're going to talk about 10 must-have accessories that everyone should have when owning a GoPro or any action camera. So let's begin.
It is really an exciting task to buy a new action camera, but you need the proper accessories. Accessories that contain lots of features within. In case you love diving, then you must go for a waterproof device, or an accessory that can protect it with an external housing. Those who are cycling enthusiasts may need to record everything on a go, so it is good to pick a device that can easily mount on your body or helmet. It must also offer stabilized video recording. Anyone can have so many requirements, but the good news is that accessories features provide satisfactory results. Here at United City Plugin, made a list of accessories which will help you get the best results out of your action camera. Here are the 10+1 accessories that can make perfect action camera for your adventure, sports, hiking, or any physical activity. So, with that being said,
all systems go.
Number 1, the ULANZI Neck Holder Magnetic Mount.
The ULANZI mount holds your camera on your neck absolutely hands-free to take first-person videos. Built-in breathable mesh and friendly to the neck for long use without tight strangulation. It's designed with a magnetic suction, enable you to quicken release and install. It is easy to use. Finally, it is also foldable and can be folded as a desk stand, so you don't need to get an additional tripod for your desk recording.
Number 2, the GravGrip V2 Hydraulic Leveling Mount.
The GravGrip is a hydraulic level mount for your action camera. GravGrip H2 keeps your action camera level for seamless video transitions. It brings your footage to the next level with GravGrip accessories and easily capture those difficult ultra-low angle shots, high angle shots, and everything in between. Also, it is available now on Amazon.com for only $39. However, I did see it online recently for around $20. I think it's a limited price offer. So if you have the coin now, I would suggest to get it.
Number 3, ULANZI Super Clamp Camera Mount Monitor.
The ULANZI Super Clamp is a 360-degree camera clamp mount designed for videos and photography. Its standard 1/4 and 3/8 female thread on each side of the clamp helps you mount a camera, monitor, LED light, a microphone, and comes with a GoPro adapter. It is also compatible for multiple action cameras. The Super Clamp can be attached and detached from monitors quickly and positioned from any adjustable angle. The Super Clamp is very durable and sturdy for only $15.
Number 4, Small Rig Mini Side Handle Hand Grip with dual 1/4-20 screw.
The Small Rig Mini Side Handle is designed for mirrorless, digital, and other small cameras. It comes with two 1/4 screws which are fixed to the side of the cage. The Small Rig is lightweight, sturdy, and portable, and is available now for $30 at Amazon.com.
Number 5, YALLSAME ND Filter Diving Filter 6-Pack Accessories Kit.
The YALLSAME ND Filter and Diving Filter is a 6-pack accessory kit. It is compatible for multiple action cameras with a ND32, an ND16, ND8 CPL filter, and 2 colorful red filters. It is also available now on Amazon.com for only $25.
Number 6, SanDisk Extreme 128GB microSD.
The SanDisk Extreme microSD card is highly recommended when using any action camera. It comes with a USB 3.0 adapter. It takes better pictures in Full HD and 4K. The gold SanDisk records and shoots faster with a C10 capacity and loads apps 10 times faster than any other microSD. You can purchase the SanDisk at any retailer for $20, and I highly recommend either the 64 or the 128 gigabit.
Number 7. Suptig 5200 mAh waterproof power bank.
The Suptig waterproof power bank is compatible for all GoPros and any other action cameras. You can charge your phone and any other portable device. When using the underwater device, you will need to use the camera's rechargeable waterproof case. This clumsy power bank, the battery inside does not need to come out or remove and costs around $40. However, if you would like something more portable and not too bulky, try Suptig's 5200 waterproof power bank, which does the same job but smaller and cheaper for $25.
Number 8. Neewer waterproof 131 feet per 40 m underwater 20 LED. Or Simor RGB video light, portable LED, or ULANZI VL49 RGB video lights.
The Neewer waterproof LED flash dimmable light allows you to attach this light to your GoPro and any other action camera product. It also comes with 3 color filters, white, orange, and purple. It works both underwater or not for only $25. Another light I also recommend is the Simor RGB video light. The Simor LED is compact and portable. It's rechargeable with an aluminum alloy and perfect for photography and videos. This is also $25 with a 10% coupon on Amazon right now. And of course, I do have another recommendation if those two isn't your type, is the YALLSAME VL49 RGB video light. It's small and standard with a hot shoe and a 1/4 screw. On the back, it has a magnetic absorption design, absorb on most metal surfaces so it can hold easily. The battery lasts for 10 hours and can charge fully for 2 hours and costs only $20 now on Amazon.com.
Number 9. The Super Snap magnetic mount for GoPro.
Snap mount magnetic action camera mount is compatible with GoPro, DJI Osmo, and any other action camera. Now, an Amazon influencer by the name of Rome Knows Tech recommended this, and I must say Rome does know his tech. The snap mount is strong and durable. The magnetic mount is stronger underneath water, and yes, it is also waterproof up to 10 meters. The single snap mount package includes snap mount, quick release back plate, snap mount lanyard for added stability, and has an anodized aluminum thumb screw, which works great when hiking, camping, and bike riding. By the way, this costs right now $27, available now on Amazon.com.
Number 10. The Backpack Shoulder Strap Mount Camera with Adjustable Shoulder Pad and 360-degree rotating base, or the Mi Premium Backpack Strap Clip Mount for GoPro.
The Mi Premium Backpack Strap Clip Mount is for any action camera and perfect shoulder and quick release clamp body cam holder. Another backpack strap clip I also recommend is the Telson Backstrap Shoulder Strap Mount with an adjustable shoulder pad, J-hook, and Velcro strap holder. This clip mount can work with any action camera and mobile phone, and both of these clamps both cost $12 a piece.
And finally, number 11. The Smatree Waterproof Hard Case compatible for all action cameras.
The Smatree waterproof hard case compatible for GoPro, 8-man, and various action cameras. This hard shell exterior and secure interior cuts protects your action camera and accessories of all shapes and sizes. It comes in multicolors including green, black, and orange, and the price for this is only $30. So there you have it, 10 plus must-have action camera accessories buying guide. Mounts for any part of your body, power accessories, fast memory cards, waterproof housing, lights, filters, and audio add-ons, depending on your daily activities. All materials used in this video will be in the description section below, and if you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Anyway, I'm DJ Hale Nazareth with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching, and of course, stay safe.
Shutdown sequence initiated. Shutting down.